Hi students, Newton's second law of motion explains what happens when some net force acts on an object. According to Newton's second law of motion, when a net force acts on an object, it accelerates. It can be expressed as F is equal to ma. When we press the accelerator, the engine applies force to the car and the car is accelerated. Harder we push the shopping cart, the faster the cart moves. It is easy to push an empty cart than a full one. When we kick a soccer ball gently, it moves slowly. When we kick it hardly, it moves much faster. It is easy to push a car than a truck. A freely falling object accelerates due to Earth's gravitational force. Newton's second law of motion can also be stated as the net force acting on an object is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Newton's second law of motion is called the real law of motion because the first and the third laws can be proved using it. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.